The verb we'll study today is the verb aparecer. We'll see in detail the multiple meanings of this verb later in this video, but for now, let me explain you how to conjugate it. This is a verb that belongs to the group of verbs finished in er. It's irregular, which means the root of the verb has some variations according to the pronoun we'll use. Remember that we can obtain the root of a verb by moving away the ending of it, and the remaining part is what we call the root, la raíz. Now, since this is an irregular verb, this root will have a small but important variation. Let's see. The root remains the same for all the pronouns except for the pronoun yo, which has a small change. We'll have to add a z right before the c. So, we already have the first part of the conjugation in present simple, the root. Now, we must add the ending belonging to each pronoun. Let's see. Yo aparezco, tú apareces, vos apareces, usted aparece, él aparece, ella aparece, nosotros aparecemos, nosotras aparecemos, vosotros aparecéis, vosotras aparecéis, ustedes aparecen, ellos aparecen, ellas aparecen. If you don't remember all the pronouns or don't understand something about this topic, you can review it in the video we have about it. I'll leave the link in the description box. Aparecer can be translated as to appear, to become visible. For example, en este truco de magia aparece una paloma. In this magic trick, a pigeon appears. But we could also translate aparecer as to show up, to make an appearance. La invitada aparece de repente. The guest suddenly shows up. This verb can also be used when somebody or something is lost. Mis llaves no aparecen. Literally, this means my keys don't turn up. But in English, we don't say that right. We say, I can't find my keys, or something similar. This verb is also used as a reflexive verb, aparecerse. It can be used in the same sense as to show up, but it's a little bit more informal. It's also used when we want to express we feel annoyed by this behavior. For example, Andrés se aparece en los momentos más inoportunos. Andrés shows up at the most inappropriate moments. By using the verb aparecerse, we want to say we don't like Andrés' behavior. It's kind of a pejorative way of speaking about his behavior. Aparecerse is also used in religious terms. For example, when Catholic people talk about the Virgin or a saint apparition, they use this verb. Esta pintura retrata el momento en que el arcángel Gabriel se aparece a la Virgen María. This painting portrays the moment when the archangel Gabriel appears to the Virgin Mary. There is another component in the reflexive verbs, but I'll explain that in another video, otherwise this one will get too long. Remember, the translations of the sentences I'm giving you aren't necessarily literal. They're used to help you understand the general meaning, but they aren't a word-by-word translation. If you didn't understand something about this verb, please let me know it in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer and clear up your doubts. Hello, my name is Paola Nieto, and I'm here to help you with your goal, to learn Spanish. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you have any question about the subject or any suggestion, even about my English, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to be aware of the content we upload. And don't forget, we have a website where you can find more content to practice Spanish. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!